Hey, foodies! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the spicy and addictive world of Korean tteokbokki. But wait, there's more to this beloved dish than meets the eye. We're about to reveal some fascinating unknown facts about tteokbokki that will blow your mind. So, let's spice up our lives and get ready for a delicious adventure. Tteokbokki, also known as spicy rice cakes, traces its roots back to the Joseon dynasty. Back then, it was called tteok, and it wasn't the spicy version we know today. It wasn't until the 1950s, when gochujang, red chili paste, was added, that tteokbokki transformed into the fiery delight we cherish today. Ever wonder what gives tteokbokki its striking red hue? Well, here's the secret: it's the power of gochujang. This vibrant red chili paste is not only responsible for the spicy kick but also adds that appealing crimson color that makes tteokbokki so visually enticing. While the classic tteokbokki features cylindrical rice cakes, there are numerous exciting variations with different types of tteok. From the chewy and flat oval-shaped tteok to the sweet potato starch tteok, each version brings its unique texture and flavor to the table. While tteokbokki is renowned for its spiciness, there's more to explore. For those who prefer a milder version, Gochujang Tteokbokki offers a non-spicy, soy-based sauce with a delightful medley of flavors from soy sauce, sesame oil, and other seasonings. Tteokbokki's popularity has transcended borders, and you can now find variations of this Korean delight in different countries. In Japan, it's known as yakitori tteokbokki, and in China, it's tangyuan. Each country has embraced tteokbokki, adding its own twist to this spicy sensation. One of the best ways to experience the true essence of tteokbokki is through Korea's vibrant street food culture. From bustling night markets to busy street corners, you'll find vendors dishing out piping hot tteokbokki, creating an unforgettable experience for your taste buds. Tteokbokki is fantastic on its own, but did you know it's also a favorite pairing with various ingredients? From fish cakes, odang, and boiled eggs to ramen noodles and cheese, the possibilities are endless when it comes to customizing your tteokbokki experience. Challenge enthusiasts have taken tteokbokki to a whole new level with spicy eating contests. In Korea, there are competitive events where participants devour enormous amounts of super spicy tteokbokki in record time. It's not for the faint of heart. And there you have it, folks. The fascinating world of Korean tteokbokki, filled with history, variations, and global influences. Have you tried tteokbokki before? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the wonderful world of food.